Hey everyone, this is Jody with Authentically Yours, and just thought we'd show you a little bit of the bathroom laundry room update. So where I'm standing right now used to be a closet, and come on in, we'll kind of show you. It's a tight space, but this used to have drywall here, and so we took down the shelves that was in here, we took down the walls, everything. This area is going to be pretty cool. There's going to be shiplap and some potentially floating shelves. We're still discussing kind of what we want there. And then over here was the washer dryer. And then there was cabinetry up here. We tore those down. This is also going to have shiplap on it. And then the washer and dryer will be on top of one another. And we'll have this really cool butcher's block that is from my great-great-grandparents, great-great-great-grandparents. They used to have a meat butcher shop in McCook or Culbertson, where I'm from, and so it's super vintage. But anyways, and then over here is where the toilet was and the vanity. It's hard to get in because we have a washer and dryer here in our way right now, and so it doesn't really fit out the door. So Dave is just having to move things around. So he's going to finish. Look at this tile down here. We've been working on this tile the last couple of days. He's going to finish the tile and finish it over here kind of where I'm at in the washer and dryer area, and then grout it. And then we will be able to move some things around, get the washer and dryer back where it's supposed to be, maybe put the toilet back in, and actually use it as a functioning bathroom kind of for a while. So stay tuned to see progress. Thanks guys.